Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, October 15, 2024. 1.5 billion Jamaican dollars has been set aside to develop a program to attract visitors from Eastern Europe. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett outlined the expenditure during a function over the weekend. He argues that with the volume of Latin American air travel scheduled to come on stream, the country should now look at the new and emerging economies in Europe. In line with that, Minister Bartlett says the government is currently looking at visa arrangements that will enable access through our borders. As for the money, he reveals that it will be used to develop a new program of advertising and marketing starting this winter season.
This is the largest single amount that the government has provided for marketing augmentation in the history of our country.
The tourism minister insists that while the government is working on the marketing aspect, the responsibility of destination assurance needs to be kept in check by stakeholders.
Because we make the promise to the market that when they come here, they will have a safe, secure, and seamless experience. And at the heart of the security is a confidence that when they drink our water, no diarrheal issues. That when they inhale our air around, it's nice and clean.
In the meantime, amendments to the Jamaica Tourist Board Act requiring that all partners and players in the industry be licensed could go before Cabinet within a week. The Portfolio Minister gave the update on Saturday as he addressed the 63rd renewal of the Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association, JHTA. Minister Edmund Bartlett stresses that while destination assurance relies heavily on the conduct of Jamaicans, the regulation and legislative activities surrounding it lies with the government.
With the new business models emerging, particularly sharing economy, accommodation now has been democratized. And it has moved from the center to the periphery. So all over Jamaica, there's accommodation now. Tourists are going to places that you never imagined. And they are happy and safe. But if anything happens, they have no recourse. And more so, we don't know where they're going and who and what they're going to. So we can't then guarantee the quality of the experience.
In other tourism news, with the global travel sector projected to increase from 1.4 billion to 1.5 billion people by the end of the year, government is encouraging tourism partners to explore new ways of attracting visitors. Minister Edmund Bartlett insists that industry players must abandon what no longer works and adopt new strategies.
Unless we are responsive and adaptive and nimble in the face of new technologies and innovative, we are going to be part of a history that few people will remember.
Furthermore, he is encouraging sector stakeholders to get to know the travelers and identify suppliers that will be able to meet their consumption needs.
We have to look at how we are going to transit into the areas of tourism that offers the best opportunity for economic development and growth for you.
Government is contemplating options to hold family members accountable for abandoning their homeless relatives. Minister of Local Government and Community Development, Desmond McKenzie, says there are over 3,000 persons currently living on the street. He is urging family members not to abandon their relatives, but rather to help provide accommodations for them.
We discovered that a vast number of the homeless people are families. They come from stable homes. But there is family dispute. And these family disputes has resulted in some of them being turned out of the home and have to find a place on the streets. They're going to be taking steps to bring to books those persons who abandon their families. The time has come when we must have a change of art.
At the same time, he says the government has been and will continue making significant investment in housing facilities for the homeless.
This administration has spent more than $500 million on facilities across the country for the homeless population. In every parish in Jamaica, we have what is known as a drop-in center. And in some parishes, majority of parishes, we have not only created the drop-in centers, but we have expanded the drop-in centers and we have created shelters where we encourage the homeless to come off the streets, going to these facilities where we provide medical care, 3 meals a day, clothing, a place to sleep.
Minister Mackenzie was speaking at the recent handover ceremony for a 2-bedroom home and a studio unit in Belvedere, Westmoreland for indigent persons. And finally, the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Jamaica Customer Service Association to support the annual Jamaica Customer Service Poetry Competition. The MOU formalizes the partnership between the two organizations in coordinating the competition, which is a highlight of the National Customer Service Week activities and Service Excellence Conference, staged in October each year. Deputy Chair of the Jamaica Customer Service Association, Richard Rowe, expressed appreciation for the long-standing partnership with the JCDC in engaging students about customer service.
This is an opportunity for them to get involved in, expressing themselves and allowing Jamaica to see customer service and service excellence through their lenses, through their eyes, by expressing themselves openly in the arts. And so we are really, truly happy about this partnership and about the possibilities that exist with our young people.
JCDC's Executive Director, Lenford Salmon, says the Commission is happy to assist with raising awareness about the importance of service excellence.
Once we instill good customer service in them, then it speaks so much to what we can expect in the future. And there's no better place to go to get that done than at the JCDC.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.